Advanced settings have many features that can have a big impact on how QuickBooks works for your company. For example, you can change report settings, set up classes to track sales and expenses in specific locations, and turn on different automation features. Let's go over Advanced settings so you can decide what works best for you. To get started, go to Settings and select Account and Settings. Then select the Advanced tab. These are your advanced settings. Let's start with something basic, your financial year. If your financial year doesn't start in July, you can change it here. You can also set the first month of your tax year as well as the accounting method you use to run reports and file taxes. This is also where you can close your books at the end of the year. This prevents users from making changes to any transactions or accounts before the closing date. This is important since you used these exact numbers when you filed your taxes. When's your closing date? After you file your taxes, most businesses set the last day of the previous financial year as their closing date. Once you're done, select Save. In the next section, you choose which tax form your company files. If you're not sure, choose Not Sure, Other, None for now, and consult your accountant. Select Save. Other features help with tracking. For instance, account numbers help you organize your chart of accounts. This lets you assign numbers to your accounts. You can use the number instead of the name when you record a transaction. You can also show those account numbers on reports. You can assign the accounts that QuickBooks uses when you charge customers for shipping, discount or mark up billable expenses. QuickBooks has default accounts, but you can always change them. Select Save. Here's a unique feature in QuickBooks. Classes let you divide your income and expenses between different parts of your business. You can assign classes to entire transactions or split transactions so they affect multiple classes. If your business has multiple offices, you can track them with locations and even set up separate sets of contact information for each location. This lets you track profitability by departments, groups, organizations, funds, locations, or anything else you want to track. QuickBooks can also warn you when you don't enter a class on a transaction. Select Save. Pre-fill forms with previously entered content can help you save time. With this feature turned on, QuickBooks automatically fills in transactions based on the last transaction for that customer, supplier, or employee. If you want QuickBooks to automatically apply adjustment notes to open invoices, make sure Automatically Apply Credits is turned on. If you charge customers for your expenses, you can turn on this option, and QuickBooks will remind you to invoice outstanding billable expenses or even automatically invoice your customers for those charges. The last setting in this section only applies if you use bank or credit card accounts. With this feature turned on, QuickBooks tries to apply money out transactions with open bills from the selected payee. Select Save. Do you need to track profitability of your projects? Make sure you turn on the Projects feature. This enables a whole new section in QuickBooks with features specifically designed to help you manage projects. Select Save. You can update your home currency here. Turn on multi-currency if you do business with customers, suppliers, or bank accounts that use different currencies. Please note that you can't turn it off once you turn multi-currency on. Tick the confirmation box, then select Save. In the last section, you can change the date and number format. We always recommend you turn on warnings for duplicate numbers. This helps to ensure that you don't enter the same check, bill, or journal number twice. And finally, you can choose how long it takes for QuickBooks to sign you out if you're not at your computer. Once you're done, select Save, then select Done to save your settings. Now you're ready to set up your own advanced settings.